What's up guys, my name is Navarro. I'm a full-time content creator here in the Philippines. Through filming, I am able to tell my stories and express myself. It makes me feel connected to people who share the same passion. One of the things I love to do is creating travel videos. In fact, this is the type of content that I'm really into. Because while traveling, there's no limit on what you can film. Discovering places, exploring food, meeting locals, making new friends, and going on adventures are the things that I can wait to happen again. Before I get to all of this, I make sure that I have the right music on my playlist that I keep on listening every time. So when I'm out traveling, the beat is already playing in my mind. That helps me visualize creative shots. I really spend time looking for songs that match the vibe of the taken scenes. We all know that music plays a big role. It adds style to your content. I've been using ARTLIST for a year now, and it definitely helps me become more productive. I can easily find the right music for my projects. But before, I used no copyright music that you will get from a free website or YouTube. But it takes a lot of time looking for songs, especially if you're working for a client's project. That's why it is really an advantage if you're subscribed to a licensed music. ARTLIST has amazing features such as top picks, top downloads, and new west, which mean these are the recommended songs by ARTLIST. On top of that, you can choose what music, sound effects, and footage. I usually use instrumental, rock, pop, and vocals, but still depends on the video that you're working on. Also, they have this what they call spotlight, where you can see these options: collections, artists, albums, and feature videos. This category helps me find artists that I can add to my collections. One thing I also like about this is the dark theme interface of their website, which won't cause eye strain while looking for music for a long time. They never fail to add new high-quality songs daily produced by independent artists. Once you download a song with an active subscription, you are licensed to use it forever. Get as many songs that you want for a one-flat fee for $199 a year. You can also use ARTLIST for your client's project. Clients can upload videos without copyright claim because it's already licensed to you. Everything in their catalog is recorded, mixed, and mastered for the highest possible audio quality. ARTLIST is a community of artists around the world who put heart and soul into the music, just as you put your heart into your video productions. Without music, the world will still turn, but it won't rock.